Forget about spending lots of money on pills and powders for your health. The real secret to a great night's sleep and feeling better overall might be right there in your kitchen, in the spice rack. More and more people are discovering the simple, old-time remedy of drinking warm clove water right before they go to bed. Why are people so excited about it? First, it's a great stomach helper. If you often feel full or have heartburn after dinner, clove water is said to calm your stomach and stop that uncomfortable bloating quickly. Plus, that single cup of spicy water floods your body with powerful antioxidants. These are like tiny soldiers that fight bad stress in your body while you are sound asleep. But here is the most surprising part, the big secret you need to know. This drink is not just for a calm stomach. Cloves are packed with a strong natural chemical called eugenol. This eugenol does more than just soothe a toothache. New studies hint that it might secretly help your body control blood sugar and how it uses the sugar from your food. Imagine, this little change could actually be helping your body manage fat and energy better, all while you are in a deep sleep. Don't ignore this fragrant, simple drink is just an old story. There is a powerful, quiet change happening inside you when you drink it. Is this easy spice the miracle cure for health, or could drinking it every night actually cause you trouble? You must read on to find the whole story, find the exact recipe, and understand the science. Hit that like and subscribe button now so you don't miss the complete breakdown of the amazing and possibly risky effects of clove water. 1. The digestive reset. Why bloating disappears overnight. The first and most immediate benefit people notice when starting the clove water ritual is its dramatic effect on digestion. Cloves contain compounds that act as a natural carminative, meaning they help break up gas trapped in your digestive tract. Drinking this warm water right before bed helps relax the smooth muscles of the digestive system, allowing food to move through more easily and preventing that heavy, uncomfortable feeling that ruins sleep. This isn't just about comfort. A quiet, efficient digestive system is crucial for deep, restorative sleep. The patient story, the bloating mystery. Meet Sarah, a 45-year-old marketing executive who struggled for years with chronic nighttime bloating. "I'd look 6 months pregnant by 8 p.m., she joked sadly. Her doctor, Dr. Chen, had run every test, finding no major issues. Dr. Chen finally suggested she track her diet and her nighttime routine. After 2 weeks of drinking clove water, Sarah called Dr. Chen in amazement. "My stomach is flat in the morning for the first time in years. How is this possible?" Dr. Chen, intrigued, looked into the science of eugenol and its role in stimulating digestive enzyme secretion. He realized the cloves were essentially giving Sarah's sluggish system the gentle nudge it needed to process dinner efficiently before she lay down. But this relief is only the beginning. Wait until you see what it does to your blood. 2. The metabolic twist, clove water and blood sugar control. This is where the simple spice becomes a true health powerhouse. The star compound eugenol has been the subject of promising studies regarding its potential to mimic or enhance the effects of insulin. By improving insulin sensitivity, clove water helps your body's cells respond better to insulin, allowing them to absorb sugar, glucose, from your bloodstream more effectively. When you drink this before bed, your body works through the night to stabilize those crucial blood sugar levels, preventing the harmful spikes and dips that can disrupt sleep and lead to fat storage. A stable blood sugar level overnight is a huge win for energy and weight management. The doctor story, the unbelievable lab result. Dr. Ramirez, an endocrinologist, had a longtime patient, David, who was borderline diabetic and struggling to keep his fasting blood sugar below 130 milligrams per deciliter. David started drinking clove water after reading a folk remedy online, without telling Dr. Ramirez. At his next checkup, David's fasting glucose was surprisingly low, 105 milligrams per deciliter. Dr. Ramirez was stunned. What changed, David? Did you start a new prescription? David sheepishly admitted to the clove water ritual. Intrigued, Dr. Ramirez researched the polyphenols in cloves, which are known to enhance insulin function. He concluded, while we can't replace medicine, David, something in that spice is helping your cells open up to glucose. This finding opened a huge question for Dr. Ramirez. If clove water stabilizes sugar, what unknown dangers does it pose to people already on sugar-lowering medication? Keep watching to find out. 3. The antioxidant defense, fighting aging while you sleep. Cloves are absolutely loaded with antioxidants, far surpassing many well-known superfoods. This isn't just a marketing claim. Cloves are one of the highest-rated spices on the ORAC, or Oxygen Radical Absorbance Capacity, scale. When you consume clove water at night, you are essentially supplying your body with a massive dose of free radical fighters just as your body enters its major repair phase, deep sleep. These antioxidants neutralize the damaging molecules that cause cellular aging and disease, promoting better tissue repair and reducing overall inflammation. Waking up feeling truly refreshed and less stiff is a common side effect of this nighttime cellular protection. Eleanor, an active 60-year-old, suffered from chronic joint stiffness that made her mornings painful. She attributed it to old age. Her wellness coach, who focused on diet and inflammation, suggested the simple nightly clove infusion. Within a month, Eleanor noticed a significant difference. I thought it was a coincidence, she recalls, but I realized I was getting out of bed without the usual creaks and stiffness. Her coach explained that the anti-inflammatory action of the cloves was working while she slept, calming the low-grade inflammation in her joints. Eleanor was no longer just sleeping, she was healing. The realization that a common spice held this much power left her speechless. But what about the dark side of this potent healing spice? We must address the risks. 4. The hidden danger, the dark side of too much clove water. While the benefits of clove water are compelling, it is crucial to remember that cloves are extremely potent. Their powerful compounds can, in high doses or for certain individuals, lead to unexpected problems. The concentrated nature of eugenol, for instance, can sometimes cause mild stomach irritation or interact with certain medications. Because of its blood-thinning properties, excessive or concentrated clove intake is a significant concern for anyone on blood-thinning medication like warfarin, as it could potentially increase the risk of bleeding. A young man named Mike, determined to maximize the benefits, started boiling a large handful of cloves and drinking the concentrated brew 3 times a day. He quickly developed severe stomach discomfort and began to notice minor bruises appearing on his skin more easily. His doctor, finding no immediate cause, eventually traced the issue back to the massive, unregulated dose of clove compounds. The doctor issued a stern warning. Mike, clove is a medicine, not a casual drink. You severely irritated your stomach lining, and the high concentration was having an unintended effect on your clotting time. The key to this remedy is moderation. This story serves as a critical reminder. Simple remedies require careful respect. Before you rush to try this, you need the exact, safe recipe and final precautions. Clove water offers a fascinating blend of ancient wisdom and modern science, establishing itself as a simple, affordable nightly ritual that promises significant health upgrades while you sleep. It delivers powerful benefits across the board, specifically targeting digestion, boosting metabolism, and aiding in essential cellular repair processes. The potency of cloves demands respect, making the safe recipe crucial. Simply steep 2 to 3 whole cloves, it is vital to avoid concentrated clove oil, in 1 cup of warm water for about 10 minutes, drinking the mild infusion 30 minutes before bed. This nightly practice is a profound way to upgrade your health. However, if you are pregnant, have a bleeding disorder, or are on medication for blood sugar or blood thinning, you must consult your doctor first. We appreciate you watching this deep dive into natural health secrets. If you found this information surprising, please like the video, share it with a friend who needs better sleep, and subscribe for more content. Tell us in the comments, will you be trying the Clove Water Challenge tonight? Thanks for watching.